Good evening. We're on the US dollar Japanese yen using ITM MStat here with a predicted direction showing us long, with price having just bounced off of the middle crossover EMAs, giving us a high probability setup here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Going to shoot for a high trade here for a 12:15 expiry. It is currently 23.49. With the 12:15 expiry, we're given just under 30 minutes as our expiry outcome, giving us sufficient time for the trade to mature in the intended direction showcased by ITM MStat. The trade has now gone into the money and is in execution. We've just expanded the chart here to show a zoomed in view of the price, with the predicted direction being long and price having just bounced off of the middle crossover EMAs. We're in a high probability direction here. All right, back again with roughly 24 seconds remaining on this US dollar Japanese yen trade here, taken using ITM MStat. A predicted direction of long, followed by price bouncing off of the middle crossover EMAs, giving it a 30-minute expiry, allowed the trade to mature in the intended direction. As you can see, is moving towards expiry here shortly in the next 5 seconds due to exactly that. ITM MStat is a much simpler tool to follow as compared to other ITM tools, whereby the analysis is pretty much done for you in a much more simplistic way as compared to other tools available at ITM. The predicted direction arrived at on your ITM MStat chart is taken from 7 time frames. It is aggregated into one, so it's most definitely a multi-time frame approach. That aggregate direction is then passed to ITM MStat's proprietary algorithms that then defines for you whether you are looking at a long opportunity, a short opportunity, or if you see a pair of spectacles on your screen, which you really do, a pair of spectacles, it means that ITM MStat is undecided and that you are best positioned to stay out of the market at that time. The trade has now expired and the platform has completed calculation of expiry. $1,800 gross return with an $800 net profit, as the payout on this trade was 80%. And this was an example of using ITM MStat quite simply to your advantage on the US dollar Japanese yen. Thank you.